There's a turkey. Is that a turkey? It's a turkey. My plan for food tonight, I'm getting that turkey. All right, turkey hunting time. Oof. Whoa, we got it. Oh yeah, got the turkey. I thought it was a chicken. It is a chicken. Yes. Frontier man. What do you think? We got a turkey, chicken. Yeah, we're eating dinner. I think I've seen some bell pepper plants around here. They look really like cedar trees. Oh, right here. OMG. Look at this, 2 bell peppers. Nice. See this? This looks like it looks like a stick, but actually it's an onion plant. Oh yeah. It's a nice looking onion from the onion plant. There we go.